Hey guys, hi, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, what's up? Merry Christmas, happy holidays to all of you guys. So in today's video, I wanted to create something very easy for you guys, very easy for me, which I love easy. So pretty much you can do this look for anything, but I figure since the holidays are near, pretty much today, tomorrow, so I wanted to do something very nice, very Christmassy, very classical, and this is what I came up with. This was a very easy 2 eyeshadow look with a red lip. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys are new, hi, hello, how are you guys? If you guys are new and are not yet subscribed, just go ahead and click the little link down below. Also, just hit that notification bell just so you guys know when I do upload. Thank you so much for all your support, for your love, for everything. And before I make this video extra long, let's just get started. Okay, so as you guys can see, I did my right eye off camera just so we can go ahead and get this video rolling, because all of my other videos are way too long, so I'm trying to short them out. So we're gonna go ahead and now work on my left eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and just do the same thing, and I'm just gonna go ahead and guide you guys step by step on how to do this look. With this look, I am using the Naked Heat palette from Urban Decay. Alright, so the first shade that I'm going to go ahead and use is going to be the 4th shade here, which is Low Blow. And I'm just going to go ahead and use the same brush that came with this palette, just a little blending brush. And I'm going to go ahead and pick this up, and we're going to go ahead and just place this pretty much all over the eye, all over the crease and the lid. Alright, and then for this look, I just wanted to do something really simple just because we don't have a lot of time. So I just wanted to do something really easy. And with this look, I am using just 2 shades, which is amazing, and just a liner. All right, so we're gonna move to our next shade, and I am using the Stila liquid eyeshadow. It comes in this little bottle, and it looks like a little lip gloss, but this is eyeshadow. And we're just gonna go ahead and place this all over our lid, and this will be like the main star. And with this one, try to be careful just because it's very liquidy, and you don't want it to go like all over the eye. Pretty much just on the lid. I wanted to create a look where there was a bit of sparkle, just because, you know, the holidays, and I mean, who doesn't love sparkle? So this is the look that I came up with, really easy. Okay, so now with the blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and blend my crease, and you're gonna pick up some of the glitter, and it's gonna go above your crease, but that's fine. But try not to blend too high. So we're pretty much done with our eyes, the color in the crease, and then the glitter on top. And now we're gonna go ahead and work on our eyeliner. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and just create a wing. And even though I love this Kat Von D tattoo liner, I don't think it's very dark. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna mix it with another of my favorite liquid liners, which is this the e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and just go over it. So now that we're done with the liquid liner, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my eyelashes for falsies. And I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, curl my lashes, put a coat of mascara, and then pop my lashes on. Alrighty, and then you guys can just use any mascara that you guys have. I am using the Luminous Lash Paradise mascara, and this one is from L'Oreal. And then I'm really excited because the lashes that I have are actually new lashes that I've been wearing. I bought them when there was a sale going on for Black Friday, and I am obsessed with them. I love them. They're usually vary from, I think, $15 to like $30, and I got all of these for $5. And it's the Lily lashes, and I am using the one in the style Dallas. Okay, so now that we're moving to the face, I'm gonna go ahead and just prime, and I am using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my face. right, and then we're gonna go ahead and move to foundation, and this one is a new foundation that I have, and it's Born This Way Too Faced foundation. I am in the color Warm Beige, and this one, it says it's medium to full coverage, so I guess if you want a lot of coverage, just pop some more. If not, just go light-handed. So now that we have put our base, our foundation, we're gonna go ahead and move to concealer, and I am using also Born This Way Natural Radiant Concealer, and I am in the color medium. And we're just gonna go ahead and work on our dark under eyes, dark circles, and just trying to light up the face a little bit. And then with the same sponge, I'm just going to use the other side of the sponge, the pointy side, and I'm just going to go ahead and work on my concealer. And then just because my eyeliner here is bugging me, I'm going to try to clean it up. Really like it. So now we're going to go ahead and set our foundation and concealer. And then to set my under eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use my Becca powder. Which is this one here. I love this powder. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and let this one sit just for a little bit, just because I feel like my under eyes are very like oily. So now to set my entire face, I'm gonna use a different powder, and I'm gonna use one of my favorite ones, which is the Fit Me powder, which is this one in the color light medium. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a little bit in this big fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly set my foundation. And now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the powder from under my eye. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and contour our face, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the darkest shade, which is these two, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mix them and just contour and just give my face a little bit of color. Okay, so now that we are all done in contour, we're gonna go ahead and move to blush. Okay, and then for this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to stay kind of neutral, and I'm using one of my favorite blushes of all time, which is the NARS Lovejoy Fizz blush. It looks brown and, you know, like very neutral, but once you put it on your face, it gives you this little like flush of color, which I am obsessed, especially since we're gonna have a really bold red lip. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move to highlight, and I'm using the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the high points of my cheek, my nose, and above the eyebrow, and just, you know, add a little glow. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the face. I feel like once your eyes are done, your face, you can do it like in 5-10 minutes and you're good. Okay, and then when I'm done putting like my blush, my highlighter, everything, I like to just grab a very fluffy brush and then just try to melt all of it together, just so you guys don't see any like harsh lines. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and move to my favorite part, which is the lips, and I'm so excited because we are using the Kylie Jenner lip kit in the color Naughty List, which is this beautiful True Red. And this one is from her new collection, the Christmas collection that just came out recently. I am so excited to use this. Okay, and then I'm using the lip liner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips. Alright, so let's see this color. I am so excited because I love a red lip. Like, red lips are my favorite. Pretty much any dark lip, but red. is my jam. Wow. I love red lips. Alright, so now that we have our red lip on, we're gonna go ahead and just set our face, and just go ahead and just grab any setting spray that you guys have. I'm gonna use my NYX matte finish matte setting spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. Alright guys, so that completes the look. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys love this easy 2 eyeshadow look with a red lip. Just a very classical Christmas look, or for any other occasion. I feel like you can never go wrong with a red lip for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Oh my god, I think that was a powder. My eyes got watery. You can hear Haley. She's like laughing, looking up in the other room. Alright, there we go.